Welcome to 7 Pot Club. I'm Rob.
I grow hot peppers.
If my skin tone looks a little unnatural, it's because I'm shielded from the sun by an orange umbrella. Also, I apologize in advance for any loud noises in the background. There's been some chainsawing and other loud construction noises, and I guess that's just part of summer here. So this is a quick video to review the limited edition Mountain Dew Flamin' Hot Soda. I'll admit I was blissfully unaware of its impending launch. It's billed as the first ever beverage combining the sweet citrus flavor of dew with the spicy kicked up flavor of Flamin' Hot. I've kind of aged out of the demographic that favors extreme flavored processed snack foods, but I was aware of Flamin' Hot Cheetos. But I had to do some Googling to discover that the Flamin' Hot brand offerings have expanded to include Doritos, Lay's, Ruffles, Funyuns, and even Smart Food popcorn. Since Frito-Lay is a subsidiary of PepsiCo, maker of Mountain Dew, I guess this flavor mashup was inevitable. I'm so out of the loop here that I didn't even notice that Mountain Dew removed most of the letters in the word mountain on the can back in 2008. I guess you're still supposed to say mountain, although it looks like mutton dew. I don't want to think about what sheep-flavored soda would taste like. Anyway, I guess I'm now officially a social media influencer because this box turned up when Kat went to the post office yesterday to check the contents of the 7 Pot Club P.O. box. When she brought it home, I first thought it was something sent by a fan. Then I noticed it was sealed with official Mountain Dew packing tape. So, I was intrigued. If you follow 7 Pot Club on social, you know I already unboxed it. Inside, I found this unusual hinged toxic waste receptacle. Let's open it up. Sorry about the noise. Inside, there's a can of Mountain Dew Flamin' Hot, plus a branded headband to soak up the sweat produced by drinking the spicy soda. I'm going to wear it, even if I have my doubts that it's going to be necessary. Now, I'm not proud of the fact that soda, or pop as we call it here in the Midwest, is one of my daily vices. I have a can or two of Pepsi Zero Sugar every day. This can is really wedged in here, just like it was when I took it out for the first time yesterday. But I wanted to put it back in there for the presentation. Okay. Got it. I converted to Diet Pop years back, and it's been many years since I've tasted soda sweetened with high fructose corn syrup. I do drink a can of Diet Mountain Dew from time to time, so I am still pretty familiar with the overall flavor profile. I chilled the can in the fridge overnight, and I'm ready now to give it a try. Time to crack it open and take a swig. Cheers. I guess this is what Mountain Dew and what I'm going to call swicy, a combination of sweet and spicy. Really, the initial taste is just like Mountain Dew, and then you get this little bit of cayenne pepper taste in the back of your throat. It's really just like they took some cayenne pepper and dumped it into the Mountain Dew. It's really not bad. Although I can't imagine the kind of high fructose sugar rush I'm going to get in a few minutes. But in terms of hot and spicy, no. But it is kind of an interesting concept, and Mountain Dew is certainly, king of soft drink marketing to the younger generation. So there you have it. If you're curious and would like to try it, you can order a 6-pack from the Mountain Dew store while supplies last. I'll provide a link in the description. I have no financial interest in your purchase. If you enjoy our content and would like to see more, you can help us grow by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and tapping the bell to be notified when we post new episodes. Check out all our 7 Pot Club logo and hot pepper related apparel at 7pot.club/merch. All regular t-shirts are $15 and everything else is on sale in our Threadless store until September 12th, 2021. If you'd like a free 7-Pot Club membership card and stickers, get the details at 7pot.club/card. And for even more 7-Pot Club, follow our daily exploits on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. For 7-Pot Club, I'm Rob. So here's how you really spice up your Mountain Dew. Now that's spicy.